Hello everyone. Now this video will teach you how to repair the damaged videos from the CCTV DVR system. Now let's check how to use the Dolphin DVR Pro data recovery software to fix the damaged videos. And the videos recovered from the CCTV DVR system, their extension names are DAV videos. Now let's check these damaged DAV videos from the H265 DVR systems. Now we enter the Dolphin DVR recovery software and this one repair. Dolphin video repair. Now click start now. We enter the Dolphin video repair software. Here we can find out there are two options. File repair. This one is to repair the MP4, MOV, and 3GP videos. And in the near future, we will add other types of videos to support here to repair the damaged videos. And this option, file codec, and this one is used to repair the damaged videos from the CCTV and DVR systems, and they are the DAV video repair. And with this function, the program will convert the DAV videos to MP4 videos, and during the video conversion progress, the software will repair the damaged DAV videos automatically. So this function will help in two steps. One step is to automatically repair the damaged DAV videos, and the second step is to convert the DAV videos to MP4 videos. Now, to repair the damaged videos from the CCTV and DVR systems, firstly, we need to select the target parse. Users need to select the videos in the original parse or need to select the videos in a new parse. Usually, if users don't have many videos, we can save the new repaired videos together with the damaged videos. If users want to save the repaired videos in one different parse, then users can set a new parse here. Well, because I have just two videos to check to repair, now let's try to play these two videos. Dolphin DVR player, select videos. Firstly, we need to click this one and H265 or use the default, it's okay too. Select videos. Now we select these two videos to play. Now we can see that these videos cannot be played. How about this video? Now we can see that this video can be played properly and this video is damaged. Now let's try to repair both videos. That means one video needs to be repaired automatically and then convert to MP4. And the other video just needs to be converted to MP4. Now let's try to repair these two videos. click File Codec and select H.265 codec. If user selected wrong video standard, then the repair will not be completed. So we select this one, right click, please right click, remember, add files, damaged videos, and here we need to select all files and then select both, click open, and then click OK. After that, the program will start to automatically analyze the two videos and then try to repair the two videos if there is any damage in the two videos. If low damage, the program will just convert the DAV videos to MP4 videos. Now let's try to enter this one. We can see that the program is already converting the DAV videos to MP4 videos. After that, we will try to play these videos after the progress is completed and see if both videos can be played properly. Now, so we just need to wait until the progress is completed. This takes some time to complete the process because the program needs to analyze the damaged videos, repair the damaged video, and then convert the video to MP4 video. So users need to be a little bit patient. This Dolphin video repair software is very easy to use. So users just need to remember this one is to repair the damaged MP4, MOV, and 3GP videos directly. And this one is to repair the CCTV DVR videos that are the DAV videos. The DAV videos, okay? These are the naked videos, the raw videos from the CCTV DVR system without any encoding features. You know, users can try to encode these DAV videos to different video format, such as the MP4, the MOV, 3GP. So two options for users to select. It's very easy. So users can repair both H.264 videos and H.265 videos. So this video repair software is very powerful and easy. And we will soon add other like the MXF and some other video formats common for video formats here to be supported for video repair. This process needs some time. Now we can see that the video repair and conversion have completed. Now we can go to the folder and we get two videos, MP4 videos. We need to use special videos to play these two. Here we get two MP4 videos. Now let's try to download one video player. Now we have downloaded one player to play the MP4 videos. These MP4 videos are from these DAV videos. We can check from the name. February 10, February 10, okay? And this one is the March 12 and March 12. So the program have completed the automatic video repair, the DAV video repair, and convert these two videos to MP4 videos. Now let's try to play these two videos. Now we put these two videos here, and then we try to play them. Now we can see these videos can be played now, and let's try this one. And this videos is also okay. So both videos can be played properly now. That means the Dolphin DVR video repair software has automatically repaired these damaged DAV videos and at the same time convert these two videos to MP4 videos. So it's very easy to use this one. Users just need to select the correct video standard to complete the video repair and conversion progress. Thank you for watching this video.